In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can hide your stories from specific accounts on Messenger. Hiding your stories from specific accounts on Messenger ensures privacy and control over who sees your content, allowing you to manage relationships and avoid unwanted interactions. To do this, simply head into your Messenger. On your chat page, tap on these three lines right here. Then click on this settings icon. On your settings page, select the option of privacy and safety. You will then have to scroll down to the very end and select this option of story controls. Head into hide story from. You will then select who you wish to hide your story from. When selected, tap on apply and the selected people won't be able to see any story you upload on your Messenger story. That's how easy it is to hide story from specific people on Messenger. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.